Hi, this is Mark Sylvester with introNetworks with a quick tutorial on building a really robust profile. The first time you came into the network, you were presented with a profile, and if you want to re-edit it, which I'm going to suggest, click Edit Profile in the upper right. That's going to bring you back to that profile page. All of your contact information is here. The more complete this is, the more searchable, the more findable you are. If you're uncomfortable with things like maybe your cell phone or your phone, just leave it off. None of these fields are required. The most important part of the system is really the matching engine and all of these tags. And you went through the first time and you picked a few words, but you probably didn't know exactly what it meant or how it was used. These words are used to do all of your matching. So the way I would use it is I would look at my interests. So I'm really interested in community. I select that word. I bring it up to the top. If it's more important, notice the number changes on the left. This is going to give an indication to the matching engine how to build a match. Also for search, this works really great. Now if there's a word that you want to take out of here, so if I want to take ingenuity out of here, I just drag it off, it goes away. Okay, it's really that simple. If you really want to get very particular about how the words are spaced and placed, you can put them right on top of another, or you can just move them wherever you wish, just like that. I'm going to hit the next button, and the system is going to go and save those changes I made right away. Now, on the more details page, this is where you come in and tell us more about yourself. And this is mostly so other people can learn about you. So remember, this is a private network, so this isn't shared on the general internet. So feel free to, be as personal and honest as you can here, because this is really going to help people get to know you better. This is really, and also all of these words are searchable, so think about that as well. Hit the next button, and now you want to put in a great picture of yourself so people recognize you at meetings. Go in and put in your networks. This is great because if you've got a Facebook page or Twitter, or you write a blog or something like that. Again, the idea here is we want to learn more about people in the nonprofit community because this is a resource. You can also put in photos and files. I happen to be really passionate about raw chocolate these days, so I posted a picture of these white ginger chocolate truffles that I made. You can also create a short video. Again, the purpose is getting to know, you get to know me a lot better. When you're done, hit Show My Connections. You can edit this at any time. Now notice that the pin displacement is based on how far away means how much we have in common. So if I click on someone out here, we don't have as many words in common. Notice there's just a couple of words. In color means those are words we have in common. If I click on a pin that's close to me, Michelle, I see we have a lot in common. In fact, I can also then see her networks and groups. This is where she put in, see she put her LinkedIn in there, and she put in other information, and here's how she answered those questions. So again, I want to know more about the people that are in the nonprofit network. Again, I just click on all of this. So the more information you put in, the more easily found you are. Let's go look at search then to see how that all plays out, because search is tied right to that profile as well. So if I want to look for people who are passionate about education, they're interested in cooking, I just click those two words, I hit search, and it's going to show me that in fact here's Pam, and she happens to be interested in those two things. I can reset my search, takes me back to 0, and the other things I can search on combinations of things. So I could also come into this fields area, and I can add a field. So I can go in and come down. Notice all those fields. They look recognizable. Those were all the questions. So I'll come in and say I want to look at the title and show me all the executive directors. And then boom, it's going to show me there are all of the executive directors just at a glance. Very, very easy, but it only works if you've got a really great profile. So go back, click the Edit Profile button, and there's another thing you can do real quick if you need to change your settings. Hit the Edit Settings button, and then you can get at all those settings. So thanks a lot. Hope you get a whole lot of use out of the Nonprofit Resource Network.